College start हो गया, your dream MBBS journey is starting. I am here to tell you some of the common mistakes which MBBS first year students make. First of all, it is very important to understand that you are here to become doctors. So it is not a race, it is not a sprint, it is a long marathon. Go slowly, build your foundations, read your subjects. एक साथ एक community feeling. Because MBBS का time कभी वापस नहीं आएगा and it is the best time of your life, trust me. Hey MBBS 2025 freshers, this is your microbiology faculty at PW MedEd, Dr. Anusha Rathi. First of all, congratulations, you made it. College start हो गया, your dream MBBS journey is starting. You must have heard what to do from a lot of sources. Now I am here to tell you some of the common mistakes which MBBS first year students make, and you should avoid all of these mistakes. First of all, it is very important to understand that you are here to become doctors. Okay, it is not just a course which you have to complete and then move on to the next step. This MBBS will make you the basic doctor that you need to become before you become any kind of a specialist, right? So it is not a race, it is not a sprint, it is a long marathon. So go slowly, build your foundations, read your subjects. I know college आते ही ऐसा लगता है कि अब एकदम छूट मिल गई है and I want to explore the world and everything. Of course, do that. Enjoy your life, but be consistent in your studies. Don't think कि बहुत time है, I will only study before exams. And a lot of your seniors might even tell you this कि exam से पहले पढ़ लेंगे हो जाएगा. एग्जाम से पहले पढ़ने से शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी तो बनती है, लेकिन बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट वो नहीं बनती है. And first year subjects make the basis for your future subjects. Anatomy decides what kind of a surgeon you become, biochemistry decides what kind of expert you become, even physiology really is necessary to understand the functioning and the medicine and health. So make these bases very strong. दूसरी गलती जो a lot of first year students which make, that is just depending upon the seniors ka notes. Don't do that. Read your textbooks. Make your own understanding, refer to good faculty, watch good videos, take all the resources that you need, compile everything and build your own set of notes and understanding. उसको refer करो before exam, before competitive exam, any exam, but also it should become your own knowledge base जिसको आप refer करोगे for the rest of your life. The third mistake that MBBS students make is to always compare themselves. That person might look like a genius, but hello, you also made it to the medical college. सबका IQ level same है. It's all about putting in the effort. किसी एक subject में एक बार probably that person gave more effort than you did. तो इस बार आप कर दो, आपका हो जाएगा. Right? Do not compare. It is going to kill your curiosity. It is going to really bring down your morale. And इसकी वजह से a lot of the students isolate themselves. Isolation का कभी कोई solution नहीं है. Become friends. मेक स्टडी बडीज, साथ में पढ़ो, एक दूसरे को पढ़ाओ, एक साथ एक कम्युनिटी फीलिंग. बिकॉज MBBS का टाइम कभी वापस नहीं आएगा एंड इट इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ योर लाइफ, ट्रस्ट मी. So enjoy the process, be curious, ask questions, make friends, study together, make it a celebration, don't make it a competition. Competition khatam, ho gaya, now you're all entered the college. And the last and the most important mistake, pulling all-nighters, ignoring health, skipping meals, running for classes, running for postings. ये सारी जिंदगी करना है. Do not ignore your health. Really take care of your health. Eat right, work out, exercise, join clubs, play sports. जो मर्जी वो करो. Just remember that this journey is for life. So there is no rush, there is no competition, there is really just a deep understanding and a love for a subject and a very amazing, beautiful journey of MBBS ahead of you. So all the best, enjoy the process and see you very soon in second year.